In this video, I'm going to show you how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open CapCut on your device and click on the new project button to create a new project. And here, go ahead and head over to the photos section and click all the photos that you want to add to your canvas. So just go ahead and click all the photos that you want to use for your canvas before you can click on the add button at the bottom right of your screen. After that, this will redirect you to your canvas. And here, as you can see, that each of the photos that you have uploaded on your canvas are 5 seconds long. So to be able to make sure that each of these are of the same length, what you can do is to manually resize the length or duration of each of the photo manually, dragging on the right side of your photo on the canvas. So make sure that each of this has the same number of seconds to make sure that all of this are of the same length. If you have more photos, that would be a lot more work to do. But unfortunately, currently there is no built-in option that will allow you to simply click on the button and resize all the length of each of the photo on your canvas. And that is how you can simply make all photos the same length in CapCut.